Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Hi and welcome to Marshall Nissan Grantham's presentation of this Nissan Qashqai TEKNA. Now this is the delivery mileage vehicle with a huge discount off again. We've got parking sensors all around the front. Being a TEKNA, it does have the LED lights all around the vehicle as well, so you get the lovely sweeping ones all the way across. It's in the lovely pearl black finish. You get 19-inch diamond cut alloy wheels as well, electrically folding and adjustable wing mirrors. The car does feature keyless entry and keyless ignition as well. Extra tinted glass in the rear of the car. As I say, it's delivery mileage, so everything's new. You got the 3D LED lights at the back as well, with an LED tail light for braking, and shark's fin aerial on top there. We'll move around the back. So the parking sensors are all nicely camouflaged in. You've got the satin chrome roof rails as well. Let's have a look inside the vehicle. Now, with it being a Qashqai, it's a good family car. You've got great boot room. You've got the luggage boards as well, which you can swap and change. They do go up to a lower level to give you more depth if you need it. You've also got extra space at the sides there, and a pocket there, and again on this side as well. 60-40 split folding rear seats, and carrier bag handles, which are a fantastic little thing to keep everything nice and tidy inside the boot. And now into the rear of the car. It's even got the protective wrapping on it because it's a delivery mileage vehicle, as we say. You've got two USB sockets in the back to keep everyone entertained. Both driver and passenger seats do have lumbar support, and there's pockets on the back as well to keep everything nice and tidy. It's finished lovely, as you can see. Now we're into the front of the vehicle, so we can show you that. This one is the automatic, and if I just jump in here, it's actually only done 3 miles, this vehicle. As I say, still got a lot of the protective wrappings on the car. Lovely finish. Lovely panoramic roof as well. Just here you've got your satellite navigation and Nissan Connect screen, complete with all your audio. You've got your dual zone climate control just beneath it, and on the steering wheel we've got your audio controls on the left hand side and your cruise control, speed limiter and pro pilot button with your Bluetooth on the right hand side. Hopefully this has been a good insight into the car for you. If you'd like any more details or a more detailed video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on 01476 56 443 and we'll see what we can do. Thank you.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.